So if you are sick right now with a chronic disease, listen up. In a lot of videos that I made, I talked about black cumin seed. And this is an important traditional medicine that you should be hearing if you are watching this video. So right now, black cumin seed oil is backed by modern science as a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant substance. And this is because of a key compound known as thymoquinone that can reduce inflammation by up to 60%. And it also neutralizes oxidative stress, which is associated with many diseases like hypertension, diabetes, and cancer. And it also research shows that it protects against toxin and drug-induced damage by supporting overall cellular resilience. So, hear this, black cumin is good for you.